thinks I have food. I think. Hi. Oh, now he's getting scared. I'm like towering over him. Look at this one coming.